Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, whenever you're watching this. I'm going to do a little bit of a destruction trial test today. I've got this 100% polyester sleeping bag. Polyester by American Trails, and I'm going to see how well or how bad this burns and melts. It says, of course, keep away from all flame and heat sources, so we're just going to see how much you should keep it away. Now, don't try any of this at home. Don't try any of this at campouts. And if you gain anything from this video, maybe it's you find a limit where you can push this. But I mean, it's up to you. So make no promises that you'll get the same outcomes. But hey, try at your own risk. We'll see what happens with polyester and heat sources. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to see its reaction to a ferro rod. Now ferro rods, I guess, can burn anywhere 3,000 to 5,000 degrees, but it's just short bursts, so we'll see how it does. Well, I don't know if you could see it already, but just from those bursts, looks like you do have a couple melting spots right there. But we'll keep going. Sorry for the shaking. So, okay, we do have holes. See, you can see there, this has created holes. See about the other side. Yeah, it looks like the same results on the other side. The reason I did two sides is because they are two different textures. But it didn't look like it caught. So maybe that's a good thing, or maybe not. So might burn or melting a little bit, but it's quickly extinguished. Now let's go ahead and try a lighter. Goodness, I don't know if you can see that. It is melting. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's catching, but it is melting, and you don't want that on your skin. Ooh, that would be bad. So, we see if a spark accidentally lands on you by a campfire, that you could have a bad time. But let's see what happens now if a log or something that's been in a campfire accidentally rolls onto you while sleeping in one of these, or you're just laying or getting cozy by the campfire. Oh la-di-da, I'm just enjoying a nice campfire. Oh no, what's this? Oh no, this log rolled onto me by accident. Lots of smoke. And I think I'd be going, ouch, ouch. I'm gonna get up now. And look at that. It's melted to the log. Oh no, I'm accidentally in the campfire now. That's no good. Look at that, melting away. That would be detrimental to your skin. 3rd-degree burns, not pleasant. Hospitalization, surgeries, possible death from shock, not good. So from this brief demonstration, I guess you could see or conclude that if a couple sparks from a fire land on your polyester sleeping bag or anything else polyester, a couple sparks, it's going to be unpleasant. It's not going to ruin your life. Anything more than that, you're going to be in for a bad time. So just best play it safe. Don't wear polyester around these high heat sources. This is going to be the most extreme example of what could go wrong with you in the bag. I don't know if you can see that, but it is dripping and flaming up bad. You do not want to be part of that. Probably should have moved my tomato plant. Luckily, I do have more of these bags, just to use as blankets around the house, not by the fireplace. I don't know if you can see that. There's melted polyester all over some of these logs. If that was on your skin, 3rd-degree burns for sure. Down to the bone, down to the muscle, meat set at least. Bad time. Golly, I'm even standing a few feet away and it's getting hot. Wild thing is this polyester burns longer than I thought it would. I thought it'd be a quick melt and done, but it's going. It is going. Okay. It's dying down. Maybe you can see. My tomatoes are fried. Oops. Well, hopefully we learned something. Keep that polyester away on your fire or a high heat source, and also keep fire away from your plants. And I'm sure these smoke and fumes from polyester probably aren't good for my lungs either. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and have a good one. Get outside and enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family, every little bit. And within the smoldering ashes, not even a zipper remains. Thought those things would go up in flames.